So you'll probably need to drill holes in your doors at some stage, or perhaps your carpenter doesn't want to do it. You may have to do it yourself. What you'll need is a hinge boring bit like this. Quite often they use them in big machines, but you can use them in a handheld drill. What they do is they use a centre point to make a pilot and a guide piece, and it will drill the hole in a big circle. It won't wander all over the gaff like this, it will go straight down. What you want to do is make sure you've got the correct depth so you don't go through to the other side of the door. First thing to do, put it in your drill, of course, and that's in. Make sure you're going the right way, clockwise. Then take your ruler or your tape measure, whichever you prefer. I'll use a ruler here because they're probably more readily available. You're going to measure up to where you want your hinge to be. In this case, I'll put it somewhere around here, just because we've already drilled a hole there. So put your ruler down, find where you want to mark it. Normally on a door, you'll probably go around 100mm. If you've got to match some hinge holes on other doors that you're potentially replacing, you need to find the centre hole. If you look inside your hinge hole, there's a centre hole there, and that's where you'll measure to from the top to the bottom of the door. So, find your measurement. We'll go 170mm here, just for an example. And then what you want to do is measure from the hinge side of the door towards your mark, 22mm. And make a little cross there so you know where the centre point needs to go. Once that's done, you can get your drill, find the centre point, put it on the centre of that cross, and then you need to drill down. Ideally, you need to do a test piece before you do this to check the depth. I know this cutter and I know how deep to do it, and I'll show you where I have to stop. Okay, so on this particular cutter, we know if we go full depth to the top here, we know that's just about right for one of our hinges. The easiest way to do this is just to drill slow, go halfway perhaps, and just check that your hinge will fit the hole before you carry on going any deeper. So we'll check that now. That looks just about right for us.